Hi, I am Viren Prajapat. I am working at Kian Technologies. Now I am explaining the resident billing software. So here is the dashboard where owner of any apartment can add his residents and manage their monthly billings. So here add resident, add payments. Here dashboard, he can see his revenue, outstanding balance, total receive and overdue residents and activities. Here is the resident section where he can add a new resident and see the residents details and add payment to them and also edit and delete the resident. In payment section, he can add record payment from whatever the sources. Here is the bank where uh, banks are connected for his transaction. Here is the remainder section where remainder goes to the resident that remains the billing. Here is the report section where he can see his insights, total charges, total received and outstanding balance, income and outstandings, larger summary here is. And here is the setting. He can add the new house or flat, can add the users from here and reminder for the resident, and here's the integration. So that's all about this software. So thank you.